Good day, viewers. Welcome back to Yotsume God Reunion to the Blade. So here's your next stop, flower. So let's see. This is about Yuma as the one being trapped in the shrine. Hello. There we go, flower. Hey! I grabbed the kid's collar and replayed just as they were about to run off.
兄ちゃん、なんでそんな手際いいんだ？いや、なんでだ？とっさに手が出た。
Just reflexes.
クロちゃん、シロちゃん。やっぱり二人がユーマを神社に呼び込んだの？だって、お母さんに言われたんだもん。苦しいって言ってたんだもん。
She was in pain.
そうだ。そのお母さんは？
Where's your mom?
もう平気。
She's fine now.
静かになったから大丈夫。
She's calmed down, so it's okay now.
おい。
Hey.
二人とも。ちゃんとお兄ちゃんに謝りなさい。お家に帰れなくなっちゃって困ってるんだからね。
He can't get home.
じゃあ帰んなくていいじゃん。俺らと遊ぼうよ。
Let's play together.
遊ぼう。
Let's play.
ちょ、引っ張るな。
Stop pulling.
もうふざけないで。
Stop.
二人ともそこに直りなさい。
Cut it out, you two. Imigo yelled at them.
じゃあ二人はお母さんのためにユーマを神社へ連れてきたんだね。悪いことだと思わなかったの。そうそう、ごめんな、兄ちゃん。
We didn't. Sorry, Yuma.
軽くないか？
That's it. I'm pretty sure I'm in a fair amount of trouble.
田形くんは拝殿にいる？
Is the guy in the hall of worship?
今、拝殿には入れないぞ。
We can't get into the hall of the worship at the moment. What?
鍵がかかってるの。
It's locked.
どうして？
Why?
わかんね
え。I don't know.
田形様、呼んでも出てこないの。
But he didn't answer.
なんでこう問題ばっかり。
Imigo held her head in her hands again. I started to feel sorry for her.
探せばまた解決できるかもしれないだろう。
If we look, we might be able to solve this too. I confronted her, although I think I should be the one being comforted.
そうだね。
You're right. Sorry.
何？探し物？宝探し？
Are we looking for something?
かくれんぼ？
A treasure hunt? Hide and seek?
俺らも遊ぶ。
We want to play too.
遊びじゃないよ。
It's not a game. Oh gosh. Start exploring.
黒と白は
何
何者なんだ？
What's the deal with them?
神社に住んでる子供だよ。
They're kids who live in this shrine.
親は？
What about their parents? Imigo shook her head.
田形くんが引き取ったんだ。
Tagata took them in.
じゃあお母さんって？
Then what about their mom?
実の親じゃないけど、
She's not
神社に
their
はお母
actual
さんがいるの。
mom, but there is a mom in the shrine. I didn't quite understand the correlation.
複雑な家庭環境？
Do they have the complementary family background?
そうかも。
Background?
村には同年代の子供がいないから、普段は私が遊び相手なんだ。
We usually play with them.
へえ。
I see. No kids. It's quite sad village then.
ユーマが村に来てくれて嬉しくな
I
っちゃ
guess
った
they're
んだろう
happy
ね。
that you came.
お母さんのことは私た
We'll
ちが
deal
何と
with
かするか
your
ら、
mom, so
ユーマ
don't
は
worry
気にし
about
ないで。
it.
さっきから話題に上がる
Who's this
田
Mrs.
形君っ
Agata
て誰？
person you've been mentioning?
神社の偉い人。
He's in the high
この土地
position
の
at
管
the
理者って
shrine.
言えばい
I
いか
guess you
な。
could say that he's the manager of this land.
へえ。
I see.
安心して。
Don't
優しい
worry.
人だよ。
He's a nice person.
ちょっと
He's a bit
いや、だいぶ過保護だけど。
I see. It's dark. Can't see anything. I need a candle. Do I have a candle with me? No, I don't. Somewhere else then. Oh, you two here? What's this? Fortune. 100 yen. Don't have any money. Wow, you guys got a lot.
黒い方が黒で
So
白い
the
方が
black
白。
one is kuro and the white one is shiro.
そうだよ。
Yeah,
覚えやすいな。
that's easy to remember.
黒と
I
白は分か
understand
り
the
やすいけど、
origin of their
イミゴの名
names.
前の由来って
But
何
what
なんだ
about yours, amigo?
秘密。
It's a secret. Seriously.
お前らの母親、
Is your mom
本当
really
に大丈夫なの
alright?
か？
いいんだ。
She's fine.
寝てる時は
It's
そっと
better
してお
not
い
to
てあ
be
げた
bother
方がい
her
い
when
の。
she's asleep.
ふーん。
I see. I'm not buying what you're saying, but I can't do anything if they say so.
だから。
So come
遊
on,
んで遊んで。
let's play, let's play.
いや、寝てるな
No,
ら
if
静かにして
she's
おけよ。
asleep, then you should keep it down.
大丈夫だよ。
It's okay.
お母さんは俺たちが楽しそうにしてる方が喜ぶから。
Uh-huh.
何して遊ぶ？
What do you want to do?
何してって。
What do I want to do? What are the
何が？
options?
お手玉とかのお
We
も
have
ちゃなら神社
toys
にいく
like
つかある
juggle
けど。
bag in the shrine.
い
No,
つも遊んで
I
る
don't
お
want
もちゃ
to
じゃ
play
つまん
with
ない
the
よ。
same toys.
いつもはできない
I
ような
want to
遊び
do
がしたいの。
something we never do,
って言われても。
which is
派手にパーッとさ。
something
楽しくなる
loud
や
and
つ。
fun.
気になってたんだけど、何持ってるんだ？
I was curious. What is you two holding?
おう、これ。
Oh, this
おまんじゅ
is a mango. Mango sweet bun with bean
う。
space.
お彼岸だからお供え
We
物たく
receive
さん
a
もらえる
lot
んだ。
of offerings since it's Higan.
私たちはもうたくさん食べたから。
You already ate
龍
a
馬お兄
lot,
ちゃんが欲しいならあげ
so
るよ。
you can have it if you want. I'll pass.
どうして？
Why?
美味しいのに。
But it's good.
腹減ってるんだよ。
I'm not hungry, so
もら
I
ったら食
might
べちゃい
just
そう
eat it if I might just eat it if I accept it.
食べちゃダメなのか？
You're not allowed to eat. Well,
欲し
if
くな
you
った
ever
らいつで
want
も
it,
声をか
just
け
let
てね。
us know.
ありがとう。
Thanks. Got a candle.
Yep. やっぱりぴったりだ。
Just as I thought, it fits perfectly. The eye merely glowed dimly.
え？
What the? Yuma! Imigo covered me without touching me. Yuma,
大丈
are you okay?
な、
What?
なんだったんだ。
What was that? The large rock which it stood in Asha broke into pieces. Teacup? What am I gonna do with a teacup? What I got a teacup?
奥に道が続いてる。
There's a path that continues to the back.
待ってユーマ。
Yuma!
すごい。
Wow.
ここはね、
This
Higan
place
no niwa
called the
っていうの。
Garden of Higan
神様のお
is the
庭。
God's garden.
すごいな。
It's incredible.
一面の彼岸
A
花
field
か。
of spider lilies.
初め
Never
て見
seen
た。
this before.
これだけの彼岸花を見た
I've
のは
never
初
seen
めて
so
だ。
many spider lilies before. It's incredible, but
す
it's
ごいけど。
horrifying What if I need
ゾッとする。
beautiful?
そうだね。
I know. Black hand mirror.
鏡
A mirror. However, the surface of it is black, and it doesn't reflect anything. I tried to wipe it away the floor of the hem of his shirt, but it didn't make a difference. Snake figure. Failed. What am I gonna do?
この池は鏡池っ
This
て
pond
いう
called the
の。
mirror pond.
あまり近
Be
づきすぎ
careful
ない
not
で。
to get too
気を
close
つけて。
to it. What am I trying to do? I think there's nothing to get there, so let's. Manju.
おまんじゅう、やっぱり欲しくなった？
Have you changed your mind yet? I
じゃあ一つ
maybe
もらお
I'll
うか
have
な。
one.
はい、美味しいよ。
There you go. It's good.
すっごく美味し
It's
いの。
really good. Try it. I say I want to take a bite.
ダメだよ。食べちゃダメ。
うわ
食べちゃダメって言
I
ったで
told
し
you
ょ。
not to eat.
絶対許さないからね。
I wanted you.
だからなんでイミゴ
Why
の
do
許
I
可が
need
必要
your
なんだよ。
permission?
そうだそうだ。イミゴ姉ちゃんのケチ。
Amigo. Keep stay.
許可もケチもクソもありません。
Say whatever you
断固
want.
阻止するから
I'll
ね。
stop you one and for all. Well, I got another item. I don't even know what to do. Just a minute. Maybe I can combine it with something. No. Why did I think that would work exactly? What am I gonna do?
"水を汚したらダメだからね。
Think the water. Okay, if I cannot taint the water, I got a better idea. There we go. All I have to do is oh no, combine it. There's water now, so what am I gonna do with it? I put a water, so what do I do with it? Seriously, there's something here. Get a wooden box. Okay, what am I gonna do with a wooden box? I got a wooden box. What am I gonna do with it? A wooden box. I think I've been spinning around for quite a while now.
お酒が
I
飲
wanna
み
say, is this good enough?
お酒が
Maybe the other one?
こ
The
わっ
kid.
ぱそれは
That
まんじゅう
Manju!
あらすかせてただ
You
ろ
were hungry, weren't you? I am too, though.
飲みも役に立つことがあるのだ
Definitely
な
can be used for
褒美をやろ
sometimes.
う
I'll reward you.
どうも
Thank you. Adult
彼岸の日の
a
まんじゅう
manju
は
on the day
別
of
格だな
Higan is especially delicious. What about the other one? He said he
お
wants it.
酒が
How am I gonna get a steak? What am I even doing? Well, how am I gonna get a steak for this one though? This thing is missing 2 figures. Maybe I can put it here. Okay, but I'm missing one more. I'm missing one more. No. No. There's a code here, but I can't even interact with them. We need to do something first. A picture appeared.
彼岸花が一本だな
There's one spider lily. This one has 3 spider lilies. Some kind of gold. I need 100 yen if I want to open this box. What? What's the code? What's the code? Okay. Do I have to check the spider lilies? I think that was the code. We got 1. This is 4. This is 3. Okay. I put the right code then, but how come it didn't work? Did I put it in order or something? Yeah, I think I had to put it in order, not in the... Yeah, I think I put it in order. Okay, there we go. Grabo. What am I gonna do with a grabo? Wait, maybe we can use this to get us some steak now? Yeah, I believe so. There we go. Steak. Now I can give it to that other one, to the other lion. It's like fresh made rice cake.
酒
飲みたがってただろ
You wanted to drink some no?
ありがとう
Thank you.
君は命の恩人だ
That's too dramatic.
どういたしまし
You're
て
お
welcome.
礼に
In
論文の
return,
棚を開くヒントを教えてあげるよ
in return, my screens keep passing out. I'll tell you the hint to open the shelf at the tower gate.
犬と猿は
The
犬
dog
の
and the
中
monkey do not get
隣り合わな
along,
い方がいい
so you shouldn't put them
ヘビ
next
は
to each other.
足や
The
狐を
snake
嫌う
hates the edge of the
狐は
fox,
犬の
and the
左を
fox
好む
prefer left on the dog.
どう
So,
役に立ちそ
did
う
that help? I think
多分な。
so. Thank you. No, it didn't help at all. I'm missing. Looks like I'm missing one. Am I missing a fox or something? Okay, I'm back. My game crashed. That's why it took me a while to get back here. So now I think we can combine these two. Success. A fox figurine appeared inside the crate as I broke it open with a mallet. The one that I've been missing. There we go. Fireworks.
花火
Fireworks?
はあ
Wow,
懐
I
かし
haven't
い
seen them in a while.
打ち上げ型もあるな。
They have the skyrocket ones too.
ねね
Hey, let's
え打ち上げてみようよ
let's set some off.
いいのか？
Are you allowed to?
クロちゃんとシロちゃんも
I
喜
think
ぶ
Cory
と
and
思う
Shiro
の
will enjoy them too.
イミゴが一番ワクワクして
Aren't
ない
you
か。
the one who's most excited?
あそんなことないよ
Of course not. Okay, let's set them off. Where? Where do we set them off? Where do we set them off? I think I should show them the item that I got.
すげえ
Wow!
兄ちゃんどこから見つけたんだ花火したい花火
I want to see fireworks, fireworks, fireworks!
安全なところでやろ
Well,
うね
it's only obvious there are kids. Let's find safe place to set them off. We made our way to the purification fountain and set up the fireworks. Boom! Fireworks, much bigger than I expected, shoot out into the sky.
おお、市販のっぽいけど結構大きい
commercial
な。
ones, but they're pretty big.
私もやりたい
I want to have a go too.
俺も俺も。
Me too, me too.
危ないから一緒にや
It's
ろうね
dangerous, so let's do it together.
順番にな。
Let's take turns. We randomly set up the fireworks.
ねえあれ
Hey.
何
What is that? What? Huh? Looking at some direction, she was pointing to a parachute glided in a way toward the ground. As I picked up the fallen parachute, there was a key attached to it.
鍵だ。
It's a key.
もしかして
Could it
配
be
電
the
の
key
鍵
to the hall of the worship?
花火から？
From the
い
from
く
the
らなんでも
fireworks?
意味不明
That's
すぎないか？
ridiculous. Yeah. We came back to the hall of the worship with the key. Imigo used the key onto the gate.
開いた
It opened.
イミゴ。
Imigo!
タガタくん
Tagata! Somebody called Tagata rushed over to Imigo.
何があったんだ。
What happened?
拝殿
I
から出
couldn't
られ
get
なくな
out
る
of the
し、
hall of the worship.
イミゴもクロ
And
も
then
シ
I
ロ
was
も見当たらなくて
worried
心配したんだ
because
よ。
I couldn't find you, Kuro or Shiro.
おまけに外から
On
爆
top
発
of
のような
that,
音まで
I
聞こえ
heard
てく
an
るし、
explosion coming from outside.
それは
That was, well, haha.
あの音は
That sound was, Tagata gaze shifted towards
イ
me.
ミゴ、
Imigo,
後ろにいる子
who's that behind you?
えーっと
He's
Yuma-kun,
Yuma. He seemed to
神
have
社に迷い込んじゃ
wandered
った
in
みたいで。
here.
お母さんが苦
We
しいって
brought
言って
him
たから
here
呼んで
because
きたんだ。
Mom was in pain.
でもお母さんもう
But
大
Mom
丈
is
夫だ
alright
から
now,
お
so
外
we
で
were
花火して
playing
遊んでたの。
outside and set up some fireworks. Korinshiro jumped out from beside us and began to run in circle around Tagata.
ちょっと待って。
Hold on. That was
情報が多す
too
ぎる
much
から
to process.
一つずつ
Tell me
順番
one
に聞こ
by
う。
one.
つまり
So you were
君は黒
led
と
by
白に誘われて
Korinshiro, and
四つ目
now
神
you
社へ来た
can
も
get
の
out of here.
暇を持て余して花
Want
火
to
で
pass
遊ん
the
でいた。
time, you were playing with fireworks.
えらいはしょられた気
That
がしま
was
した
a
けど
really rough
おおむね合って
summary.
ます。
But basically
花
that's
火は
how
イミゴがやりたがっ
that's
てい
it.
たので
However, the fireworks were Imigo's idea.
違う。私はクロちゃんとシロちゃんが喜ぶかなと思って。
Korinshiro would enjoy it.
イミゴ姉ちゃんだってやりたがってたくせに。
You also want to do it, Imigo.
ひどい。責
Blaming
任転
us,
嫁。
that's mean. Everyone started blaming one another. Tagata raised his hand and grabbed everyone's attention.
わかったわかった。
Okay,
花火の件は不
okay,
問
I
にするよ。
get it.
今は非常事態だ。
Stupid. I won't say anything about the fireworks right now. This is an emergency. He stayed in his posture and faced me.
迷惑をかけてしまっ
It
たよう
looks
だね
like。we were having a cause
責任者として
trouble.
謝罪させてもらう。
As the
申し
person
訳なかっ
in
た。
charge, I want to apologize. I'm sorry. He bowed his head deeply, which made me panic even more.
いや俺も考えな
I
しだっ
mean,
た
I
と
was
いうか
careless as well, so...
ヤマお兄ちゃん悪
Yuma,
くない
you
よ。
did nothing wrong.
そうだぞ。
That's
俺らも
right.
悪くない
We
ぞ。
didn't do anything wrong either.
二人とも
You two. Tagata placed his hand on their head.
彼岸の日はおと
Didn't
な
I
しくしてい
tell
なさい
you
と
to
言っただろう。
behave yourself on the day of the Higan?
志願の人を招くなんて
Inviting someone from
お仕置きに
Shigan
値すると思うのだけれど。
is worthy of punishment, don't you think?
ごめんなさい。
Sorry. Couldn't My screen keeps passing out, that's why I can't even continue to read properly. Korinshiro felt guilty and went quiet. For some reason, I felt a sense of nostalgia. Even though I'm meeting him for the first time, I feel like we've met somewhere before.
ユウマくん、
Yuma.
はい
Yes?
君が神社から出られなくなっ
It's
てしまっ
big,
た
but
原
I
因は
think I know the
おぼろ
reason
げな
why
がら把
you're
握している。
you cannot go
僕も
out of
帰る手
here.
伝いをし
I
よ
hope you get home.
帰れるんですか
Is there a way
う。も
out?
ちろん、
Of course.
イミゴ、巻物をここへ。
No, not now. This can't be happening. Ah, god damn it. Oh, wait. Okay, sorry about that. I don't know what's going on, but of course, Amigo bring the scroll.
Hi.
Okay. My screen keeps passing out today, guys, so I guess I just have to cut it here to the next part. I think I'm out of time anyway. We're almost there. There's 3 more. We're almost to the ending. But that's it for now. Hope you enjoy. So, shall we? We'll for the video. Goodbye.